Ever played a round of Clash of Clans? You know, that mobile strategy game where you build your village, train troops, and raid other players for resources? If you have, then there's a good chance you've encountered the mighty Kraken, a colossal sea monster that can be unleashed to devastate enemy defenses. But where exactly does this legendary creature hail from? Is it ripped from the pages of Norse mythology or inspired by some deep-sea legend? Buckle up, because we're diving deep to uncover the true origin story of the Kraken from Clash of Clans. Monster Mash, Mythological Inspirations. Video games are a treasure trove of fantastical creatures, and the Kraken in Clash of Clans is no exception. When we think of giant sea monsters, the Kraken immediately jumps to mind. But this legendary beast has roots that stretch far beyond the digital realm. Let's set sail for the foggy shores of Scandinavia, where the Kraken finds its most likely mythological inspiration. In Norse mythology, the Kraken was a colossal cephalopod, often depicted as a giant squid or octopus. Sailors whispered tales of this fearsome creature, capable of dragging entire ships to their watery doom with its immense tentacles. The Kraken's size was legendary, said to be large enough to wrap around entire islands and create whirlpools that could swallow fleets whole. These stories served as a cautionary tale for Norse seafarers, a constant reminder of the dangers lurking beneath the waves. East meets West, the global Kraken. Interestingly, the Kraken isn't exclusive to Norse mythology. Similar stories of giant sea monsters can be found in cultures around the world. The Japanese have the monstrous squid known as the Kraken, while the Mediterranean has the monstrous Scylla, a six-headed sea serpent. Even the Bible mentions Leviathan, a gargantuan sea creature of immense power. These tales, though separated by vast distances, share a common theme: the fear and respect humans have for the vastness and power of the ocean. From myth to mobile, the Clash of Clans Kraken. So, we've established the Kraken's impressive mythological pedigree, but how did it translate into the world of Clash of Clans? Well, the developers at Supercell clearly took inspiration from the classic Norse Kraken. The Clash of Clans Kraken is a monstrous octopus-like creature that emerges from the depths of the ocean to crush enemy buildings. Its attack animation is truly awe-inspiring, with its tentacles slamming down with devastating force. However, the Clash of Clans Kraken isn't just a mindless beast. It serves a strategic purpose in the game. Unlike other troops that target specific buildings, the Kraken prioritizes defenses, making it a valuable tool for taking down powerful walls and fortifications. This strategic depth adds another layer of complexity to Clash of Clans and makes the Kraken a coveted addition to any player's arsenal. Beyond the Clash, the Kraken's enduring legacy. The Kraken's presence in Clash of Clans is just one example of how this mythological creature has captured our imaginations. From books and movies to video games and even amusement park rides, the Kraken continues to be a popular symbol of the ocean's mysteries and dangers. It's a reminder that even in our modern world, the vastness of the sea holds secrets that continue to inspire awe and fear. So, the answer to our original question? While the Clash of Clans Kraken draws inspiration from various mythological sources, its closest relative is undoubtedly the fearsome Kraken of Norse legend. This legendary beast has transcended cultures and time, serving as a reminder of the power and mystery that lies beneath the waves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.